The presence of green visuals, whether through live plants, nature imagery, or digital forest scenes, in classroom settings is proving to be far more than just decorative. Emerging evidence from educational psychology and neuroscience suggests that incorporating natural elements into learning environments can significantly enhance children's ability to focus, regulate their emotions, and retain information. In a time when attention spans are declining and classroom distractions are rising, the strategic use of nature-based visuals may offer a quiet but powerful tool for supporting cognitive and emotional development. Children are especially sensitive to their environments. Fluorescent lighting, white walls, and overstimulating posters can create either sensory monotony or chaos, both of which can impair focus. Nature-based visuals introduce a type of visual complexity that is calming rather than overwhelming. When students look at greenery, whether it's real plants near windows, large-scale forest murals, or even looping videos of calm natural scenes, they're exposed to patterns and colors that the brain has evolved to interpret as safe and restorative. This idea is rooted in the theory of attention restoration, developed by psychologists Rachel and Stephen Kaplan. According to their research, natural environments, unlike busy urban scenes or abstract visuals, engage a soft form of attention known as involuntary attention. This kind of attention doesn't drain cognitive resources, but gently holds the mind, allowing the brain's executive functioning centers, which control focus, impulse inhibition, and task switching, to recover from fatigue. Even brief glimpses of greenery have been shown to restore this mental energy, which is critical in a classroom setting where sustained attention is constantly required. Multiple studies have validated this effect in schools. In classrooms outfitted with live plants or large wall-sized photos of forests, students consistently perform better on concentration tasks compared to peers in conventional environments. One study in particular found that children who took brief breaks to view nature scenes between learning tasks showed significant improvements in memory recall and attention span. Their behavior was more regulated, and their ability to resist distractions improved noticeably. Even digital windows, screens displaying real-time views of nature or high-definition recordings of trees swaying in the wind, have been found to create measurable benefits. Green visuals can also help mitigate stress, which is closely tied to learning difficulties in children. Academic pressure, social dynamics, and overstimulation can increase cortisol levels and hinder emotional self-regulation. Nature imagery reduces this stress response. In classrooms where natural visuals are present, children tend to report feeling calmer, more engaged, and more optimistic. Teachers in such environments often note improved behavior, less fidgeting, and greater ease during transitions between activities. For students with ADHD or sensory processing challenges, the effects may be even more pronounced, offering a non-invasive, accessible way to reduce mental overload. Importantly, the benefits of green visuals are not limited to passive observation. Classrooms that integrate natural design features, like indoor gardens, nature-themed reading corners, or even interactive screens that allow children to explore ecosystems, foster curiosity and emotional connection to the material. This kind of emotionally resonant learning is more likely to be retained and applied, especially in younger children who learn best through multisensory engagement. The physical layout and design of classrooms also matter. Adding vertical gardens, large murals of trees, or ceiling panels featuring green canopy prints can create an immersive nature-inspired space without requiring outdoor access. These elements contribute to what researchers call biophilic learning environments, spaces that replicate the restorative qualities of nature within built structures. These environments don't just improve academic performance, they also promote creativity, cooperation, and emotional safety, all essential qualities for long-term learning and personal growth. Digital nature visuals can also play a valuable role, especially in classrooms without windows or in urban schools where access to green space is limited. High-definition videos of forests, rivers, or clouds moving across the sky can be played during short breaks or transitions to help reset attention and reduce restlessness. Some schools are now experimenting with calming corners, where children can take a few minutes with nature visuals and sounds to regain focus before returning to group activities. What's especially promising is the scalability of this approach. Unlike major curriculum overhauls or expensive technology investments, introducing green visuals through posters, wall decals, screensavers, or even a few well-placed plants is relatively low cost and easy to implement. It also sends a subtle message about the importance of the environment and emotional well-being, reinforcing a culture of care within the school. Ultimately, the power of green visuals in the classroom lies in their quiet ability to restore what modern schooling often depletes: attention, calm, and emotional balance. While they cannot replace strong teaching, supportive relationships, or effective pedagogy, they can significantly enhance the conditions in which learning happens. In an age of fragmented attention and rising stress, bringing a little bit of the forest into the classroom may be one of the simplest, most impactful steps schools can take to help children thrive.